Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain iBIRD Pro Guide app review to save with what you're using. So to get started with a breakdown about iBIRD. iBIRD Pro Guide is a bird identification app that helps users recognize and learn about birds through detailed information, illustration, and bird calls. It works offline, make it great for outdoor use, and cover hundreds of North American species. Users appreciate its advanced search filters, range maps, and both photos and drawing references. It's a favorite among serious bird watchers who want a complete field guide on their phones without needing internet access. That said, some users are unhappy about the app adding extra features through paid upgrade after they already bought it. Others feel the interface could use an update, and not every bird has a photo. Despite this, the app remains one of the most detailed and trusted tools for birding. Overall, iBIRD Pro is worth it if you are looking for a reliable offline bird guide packed with expert level content, even if a few premium features can cost extra. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this iBIRD Pro Guide app review, and that's it.